My dear friends, let me ask you something. Do you want to live longer? Do you want to live with more joy? If your heart answered yes, then today's message is for you. Because sometimes the key to a long, joyful life is not hidden in medicine or locked inside a clinic. Sometimes, my friends, the secret is waiting right outside your back door. And that secret is gardening. Now don't worry, I'm not here to tell you to dig trenches, lift heavy bags of soil, or spend money on fancy projects. No, gardening can be as simple and as gentle as you want it to be. Today, I want to share not just the why of gardening, but also the how, step by step, practical, simple, something you can start today. So imagine we're sitting together on a quiet porch, rocking chairs side by side, a warm cup of tea in hand. No rush, no hurry, just two friends talking. Let's begin. Step 1, choose your space. Look around your backyard, balcony, or even your front steps. You don't need a big space. A small patch of soil, a few pots, or even recycled containers will do. Find a spot with sunlight, at least 4 to 6 hours a day if you can. Sunlight is one of the most essential food for your plants. Step 2, start small. Don't try to grow everything at once. Pick 2-3 easy plants. You can pick herbs like mint, basil, or parsley. Choose to plant flowers like marigolds or sunflowers. Vegetables like tomatoes or lettuce. These grow quickly and reward you with joy early on. Step 3, prepare the soil. Soil is like the bed where your plants will sleep and eat. If you're using pots, buy a small bag of potting soil. If you're using the ground, loosen the soil with a hand fork and remove weeds. Add a little compost if you can. Kitchen scraps like fruit peels, eggshells, or old leaves turn into food for the soil. Step 4, plant the seed. Follow the simple rule, deep as your first knuckle. Most seeds only need to be buried as deep as your fingertip. Place the seed, cover it gently, and pat the soil softly, like tucking a baby into bed. If it's a seedling, which is a baby plant, dig a small hole, place it in, cover, and press the soil lightly around it. Step 5, water with care. Water gently. Don't flood the soil. Think of it like giving the plant a sip, not a bath. Let me share a trick with you. Press your finger into the soil after watering your seed to feel as if it's dry or watery. If it's still moist, wait. Step 6, check on your plants daily. Each morning or evening, take a short walk to your garden. Look at the leaves, the soil, the new buds. This small habit gives you movement, fresh air, joy, and keeps you engaged and purposeful. Step 7, protect your plants and enjoy the harvest. Pull small weeds when you see them. Move pots if they need more sun. And when the flowers bloom or vegetables ripen, take a moment to celebrate it. Pick your first tomato. Smell your first basil leaf. Share some with a neighbor. That, my friends, is joy in its purest form. You see, gardening is more than a hobby. It is gentle movement for the body. It is daily exercise for the mind. It is peace for the spirit. And most of all, it is purpose, a reason to wake up each morning to check your tender plants. Because every seed you plant, every flower you care for, every leaf you touch reminds you life still grows, and so do you. So tomorrow, when you look at your backyard, or even a single pot on your windowsill, I want you to see more than soil. I want you to see health, joy, and life itself. And my dear friends, so are you.